Tired of the constant struggle with money? Feeling trapped in a cycle of limited resources? You're not alone. Millions grapple with financial scarcity daily. But what if you could unlock a path to abundance? This isn't just about more money. It's about a shift in mindset. Discover the secrets to transforming your relationship with finances, gaining control, and achieving lasting financial freedom. Learn actionable strategies to overcome limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset of abundance. Your financial future awaits. We live in a world often defined by financial pressures. Many struggle with limited resources, feeling like money is always just out of reach. This scarcity mindset, often ingrained early in life, can significantly impact our financial decisions. It's a cycle of worry, reactive spending, and missed opportunities. Imagine a life free from this constant financial pressure. A life where resources feel abundant and opportunities abound. Understanding the root causes of this scarcity mindset is crucial. Fundamental concepts like budgeting, saving, and smart investing are essential tools in this journey. Let's explore how to break free from this cycle and embrace a future of financial abundance. Unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and join the conversation. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Continued learning is key to achieving financial abundance. Let's build a community of empowered individuals together. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want to discover the steps to financial freedom, start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. A crucial first step is identifying your current financial situation. Track your income and expenses meticulously. This reveals spending patterns and potential areas for savings. For example, analyze if your coffee habit is impacting your savings goals. Next, set realistic financial goals. Instead of a vague "get rich," aim for tangible objectives like paying off debt or building an emergency fund. Small, achievable goals build momentum. A common question is, how do I overcome the fear of investing? Research different investment options. Start with low-risk, accessible investments like index funds. Gradually increase risk as you gain confidence and knowledge. Remember, consistent saving and smart investing are crucial. Review your progress regularly. Adjust your strategies as needed. Finally, cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to achieving financial abundance. Consider this: a sudden job loss or unexpected medical expense can quickly expose the fragility of a financial foundation built on a scarcity mindset. You might find yourself scrambling to cover immediate needs, feeling overwhelmed and trapped in a cycle of debt. This is a pivotal moment demanding immediate attention. This isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about building resilience and financial security. A critical problem arises when we react to financial pressures with impulsive decisions. Consider the scenario of overspending on impulse purchases during times of stress. This often exacerbates the problem, creating a vicious cycle. A key turning point is recognizing this pattern and actively working to break free. Proactive financial planning, including budgeting and emergency fund creation, becomes paramount. Understanding how to manage debt effectively is also essential during challenging times. This proactive approach is crucial for navigating unexpected life events and building a more secure financial future. Delaying action only compounds the problem. Taking control of your finances today is the turning point towards long-term financial well-being. Understanding your spending habits is foundational. Track your expenses meticulously for a month. Categorize them: housing, food, transportation, entertainment. This reveals where your money goes. For example, if you consistently spend more on dining out than you planned, consider meal prepping or cooking at home more often. Budgeting is key. Allocate specific amounts for each category based on your needs and goals. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to track your progress. A simple rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings and debt repayment. This framework provides a clear structure. Savings are essential. Aim for an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safeguards you against unexpected events. Regular contributions, even small amounts, compound over time. Consider automatic transfers to your savings account. This consistency is crucial. Start small and gradually increase contributions as your income allows. Finally, understand the power of compound interest. Small, consistent investments grow exponentially over time. This principle is fundamental to building wealth. A common challenge is sticking to a budget. If you find yourself consistently overspending in one area, try substituting cheaper alternatives. For example, if you love streaming services, consider sharing subscriptions with a friend or family member to reduce individual costs. Another obstacle is the fear of investing. Start with low-risk investments like certificates of deposit or high-yield savings accounts. Gradually increase your risk tolerance as your knowledge and confidence grow. A helpful strategy is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Focus on long-term strategies and consistent effort. If you encounter unexpected expenses, don't panic. Review your budget and adjust accordingly. Identify areas where you can cut back temporarily to cover the unexpected cost without derailing your long-term financial goals. Consistent review and adaptation are key to navigating the financial journey. Consider the power of passive income streams. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate can generate income even when you're not actively working. This is a significant step toward financial freedom. For example, a small rental property can provide a consistent source of income, even while you continue your primary job. Explore different investment options beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Consider alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending or real estate investment trusts, REITs. These can offer higher potential returns, but also involve higher risk. Thorough research and careful consideration are essential. A pivotal example is the success story of individuals who started small, consistently saved, and invested wisely over time. Their initial investments, though modest, grew significantly due to compound interest and smart financial decisions. This demonstrates the long-term power of consistent effort. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Learn from mistakes, adapt your strategies, and keep moving forward. Focus on building long-term wealth rather than chasing quick gains. This approach is crucial for sustainable financial success. Financial literacy research consistently shows a strong correlation between a person's financial knowledge and their financial well-being. Individuals with a solid understanding of budgeting, saving, and investing tend to have greater financial security and fewer financial worries. For example, studies have shown that individuals who actively manage their debt are significantly less likely to experience financial distress. This highlights the practical value of understanding how to effectively manage your finances. Expert financial advisors often emphasize the importance of creating a comprehensive financial plan. This plan should outline short-term and long-term goals, including retirement planning, education funding, and estate planning. A well-defined plan provides a roadmap for achieving financial abundance. Consider the impact of a lack of financial planning. Many individuals find themselves unprepared for unexpected expenses, leading to significant stress and financial hardship. Understanding From Scarcity to Abundance provides a framework for proactive financial management. This approach empowers individuals to build resilience and navigate life's financial challenges effectively. This knowledge has real-world implications for individuals, families, and communities. A common question is, how do I start if I'm already in debt? The key is a structured approach. Create a debt repayment plan, prioritizing high-interest debts. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options if appropriate. Remember, consistent effort, even small steps, will make a difference. Another concern is the fear of market fluctuations. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Studies show that a diversified portfolio generally performs better over the long term. A crucial insight is that financial abundance isn't just about money. It's about freedom from financial worry. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions and live a life aligned with your values. Financial security provides a foundation for personal growth and fulfillment. Experts often say that a strong financial foundation is built on consistent habits, not just one big event. Think of it like building a house. Each brick, each step, contributes to the final structure. Embrace the process, and remember that every step you take toward From Scarcity to Abundance brings you closer to your goals. In essence, From Scarcity to Abundance is about shifting your mindset and implementing practical strategies. Track your spending, create a budget, and prioritize saving. Start small and build momentum. Diversify your investments and explore passive income streams. The benefits are significant: reduced financial stress, increased security, and the freedom to pursue your goals. Take the first step today. Create a plan, set realistic goals, and commit to consistent action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Join our community for support and resources. Share your journey with us in the comments below. Let's empower each other on this path to financial abundance. Ultimately, From Scarcity to Abundance is a journey, not a destination. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance, taking consistent action, and embracing the process. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your financial goals. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experts or join supportive communities. Continuous learning is key. Embrace the power within you to create lasting financial freedom. Explore more related topics and share your insights with others. Let's continue this conversation and empower each other on this path. Your journey to abundance begins now.